Let's have a further look at the design settings for each of the different elements that you can add in design. First, you have to select the primary color scheme for your package and decide which colors you would need or want to have. You can add more or you can edit the already existing ones. After that, you have the fonts, the library with primary and secondary, as well as user setting fonts, the sizes for the different views, and whether or not the elements should be automatically responsive for the different views or not, about the text and the buttons. Then you have the textual settings and text element settings, where you have the title, the subtitle, warning sign, paragraph text, and clarification. You can select how each of those looks like and behaves, and whether it should get loaded on a specific alignment and with a specific style, and color. You can change the color for each of those, as well as choose a primary or secondary or user set font for each of those, the size, the background, transparency and contour, as well as rounding the corners. For images and photos, you can select the background and transparency of the element, if necessary, the contour and the rounding of the corners. For built-in elements, the settings are the same, and those for the graphic, icons and forms that you can load in, you can select how they should load in, and what filling or contour they are going to have so that it fits your style. The last settings are the button settings. You have a primary, a custom version of the button, and another custom version, so 2 in total. Each of these buttons has 3 conditions: the standard one, whenever on hover, and an active one, so that it could show when that button is activated and how it should look like when such activity is done. For example, when active, it could get bolded with a bigger font size or different settings so that it can signal the user. When ready, click on Apply Changes and confirm. And now, when activated, the button will be green.